Video, you will learn how you can build a simple quiz application using React. This is an example of the quiz application we will be building. Let me show you how it works. We have some question. What does HTML stand for? We can You see, as soon as we click on answer, it says correct answer. If we click on bad answer, it will say bad answer. And for each correct answer, you will get like 5 points. Okay, this is it. You get 5 points. Which company developed React? Let's say Google. That is a bad answer. We get nothing. And then we move to the next question. And let select randomly. Okay, for each good question, we get like 5 points. For bad question, we get nothing. Okay. Now we get 15 and we move to the next one. Okay. We get 20. We move to the next one. Bad question. We move to the next one anyway, anyhow. Okay. Good answer. We got 5 points. And then we move to the next question. And then okay, so at the end of look what will be happening at the end of the quiz, okay, when there is no more question, okay, when there is no more question, it says end of the quiz and it will give you your score. So, and we can restart as well, and we take the quiz again, let's see, and then let's say Facebook, let me redo it. Okay, for each good question, you get 5 points. For the bad question, you get nothing. We move to the next. As soon as you finish to click on answer, okay, if it doesn't matter if you select the good or the bad answer, we move to the next question. This is quite an interesting React project. So in this project, I believe you'll be able to learn React and then learn how you can build your own project. You see, now I get like 45 as my score. Okay, so let's go to VS Code to see what will be the code. Right here we have the app, okay? The app that has most of the code. Okay, for example, this is the quiz data, this is the data, and then this is like the options for the user to select, and then this is the correct answer, okay? And then this is the title of each question. You can add more question on it, okay? And then right here we have like the main app, okay? This is the main app that has the a class or that has the some CSS, and then we have the display questions a component. Okay, right here we so have some state like the quiz number state, the current question, the is finished. The is finished is like as soon as there is no more question, we will display the end of the we will display the final score, and also the end screen will be displayed. Okay, so and also right here we have like the, for example, when the user select an answer, if the answer is correct, we say correct answer, and we use the state to update the score. Okay, we update the score, otherwise we select bad answer. And then one thing, if the question, like if the number of question, okay, if the number of question is less than the total number of questions, we will keep on moving to the next question. And if that is, if for example the quiz number is equal or superior at the length of the questions, we will set the is finished to true. That means the quiz is finished. Okay, and then we can handle the restart. To handle the restart, we just do it like this. Okay, and we update the state. We say set is finished to false, set quiz number to 0. We'll start over. When we start over, we start at number at the question 0 again, and then the score will also be 0. Okay, and then right here, this is our JSX. Okay, this is our JSX, and then right here we have, okay, if the is finished is true, okay, so we will display that screen. We will display that on the screen. Otherwise, what we will be doing, we will keep on displaying the questions. Okay, this is quite interesting. And then you can try to build this project by yourself. And then this is a reusable component that I built to to help me like display the questions. Okay, so the options, I mean the options for each question. Okay, so it was quite simple. You see, I did not write a lot of code for this one, and also I wrote some CSS. You see, the CSS is like quite simple, quite easy. Okay, so I hope that you will you will be inspired by this project to build your own quiz application. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to follow me for more. Okay, if you're watching this video on Facebook, follow me. If you're watching this video on YouTube, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Ciao, bye bye.